All right, guys, we've got the 87R10 sending unit, and as you can tell, like I said, they sent a fuel pump with this, but that's not a good enough fuel pump for the LS. So we've got a Walbro 255 fuel pump with the kit. What we have to do is take this fuel pump off of the sending unit, and we're gonna have to install this Walbro. So let me get you set up here. As you can see right here, I'm on this end. Of course, that's where my hands came from. We've got to get this fuel pump over onto this sending unit, and it's not just a plug and play kind of application. We're going to do a little bit of operation, so I apologize if some of this don't get in frame, but we're going to have to take these wires out of this plug, and we're going to have to solder them into this plug. So I don't know whether I'll put you on a time lapse or what, but let me work on getting this one out of here. As you can see, this little blue thing right here is what's helping hold these wires in, so you have to pull that out. We'll lay this to the side, and then we're going to try to get these wires out of here. Alright guys, this comes out, there's a little bitty old hole. You can get your pick in there and just pry that just a tad. And that should, there you go, just like that. Alright, now we're going to operate on this plug. Just like that. I'll show you here what this is. If you can see here, that little tang right here, that's what holds that inside of that clip. You gotta get your pick inside of here and push that tang back down, and you can pull that right back out. All right. So what we're gonna do is we're going to snip these two off, strip a little bit of the wire, and I've got some more of these. We'll just grab those and we'll crimp them back onto here, put it back in this plug. This fuel pump will be ready to be plugged up. Then all we got to do is just swap the fuel pump out. See, as you can see, I've got fresh ends. So these will slide right down inside of this stock plug here for this fuel pump. Let's see, not this one. This one here. You see, it'll fit right back down inside there. But I don't want to do that just yet because I want to crimp the wire on here. just like that. As you can see, we can just crimp that back on there. Now we're going to do the ground wire the same way. Make sure you get plenty of force crimped down on that. This is something you definitely don't want to come unplugged. Alright. Again, this fuel pump is going to plug up just like that. We want this red wire over on this outside right here. So all we're going to do is take our prong, slide it right back into here. This is the red wire. You hear it clip. Just like that. This side the same way. There you go. Now they're not coming back out. Now you have a plug on the sending unit that is wired up for a Walbro 255 carburetor or fuel pump. I'm sorry. Now I'm going to unplug this again, and we're going to get this old pump off of here and get this new pump on. We're going to have to destroy these because, I mean, there's no other way to get these off of here. Just like that. That sock just pops on there. We're going to keep this separate. The Walbro comes with, one thing I can say, they give you plenty of different socks for different applications. So, but we're going to keep the stock sock with this pickup unit. So we're going to put this right here. Now the fuel pump is completely out of the way. There we go. I'll show you here. That little washer right there, that star washer, you have to put that on there in order to hold this sock on. Now that we got that sock on there, we got the fuel pump sitting down in there. Now, I'm going to unravel all of this, set it back down like it originally was. Let's pull this cap off of here. We're going to go ahead and slide our hose clamps on here. There we go. Now we have a Walbro 255 fuel pump inside of our 87 model fuel tank or pickup tube. So all we want to do now is plug this back up. Just like so. Plug our ground wire back up. There we go. Now that's ready. Next step is going to be getting everything ready for the AN fittings.